Hi there. So how are you doing? I know you've heard a lot of projects that has to do with construction, building, and all that. My name is Osman Okopo. I'm a certified project manager. I'm a certified Scrum Master. I'm an Agile project manager as well. So today we are going to be dwelling on what is Agile methodology in project management, and our focus is going to be more of software project management. Now, what is Agile methodology in project management? So it's an approach that actually emphasizes flexibility, collaborations, and iterative progress. It is based on principles outlined in the Agile Manifesto and focuses on delivering value to customers through incremental improvements. It focuses on delivering value to customers through incremental improvements. What are the key characteristics of this Agile methodology? The number one I have here is collaborative approach. Agile promotes close collaboration between cross-functional teams, stakeholders, and customers throughout the project lifecycle. Regular meetings like daily stand-ups ensures everyone is aligned. Developers give their feedback on what was done yesterday, what is going to be doing today, and what blockers do they have or impediments that they have. Then we'll have iterative development. So projects are broken down into smaller chunks, manageable parts called iterations or sprints, typically lasting between 1 to 4 weeks. So each iteration results in a working product increment. So meaning for whatever the developers are building for 2 weeks, there must be a product increment. The features, the tasks that they have undertaken to build for 2 weeks, there must be a working product increment. They will be able to come out with something to say, okay, we have been able to build this feature. So that at the point of sprint review, every one of them, the stakeholders, the product owner, the scrum master, and probably developers, if they are in that sprint review, they will look at the features that have been built, take feedback from the stakeholders, then enroll it into the next sprint for them to, that's adapt and enroll into the next sprint for them to build. Now, customer feedback. Customer feedback is actually part of the Agile key principles. So there's going to be continuous feedback loop. It's very integral in Agile, or it's very integral into Agile. Customers and stakeholders review each iteration, providing feedback that shapes subsequent development cycles. So, like I mentioned earlier, if there is a sprint review after a 2 weeks or a 4 week sprint, so customers and stakeholders review each of these iterations together, provide feedback that will now shape the subsequent development cycle. So next, that's going forward sprint, will now take feedback from the previous sprint or what has been built, the mistake that has been made, feedback will be gotten from the stakeholders, and it will now be taken to the next sprint for them to rebuild or even to continue building. So there's adaptability as one of the points. So adaptability is actually agile teams is saying that we can embrace change, meaning anything can come up while we are running a sprint. So they respond to changing requirements, market conditions, or even feedback quickly and efficiently. So adjusting priorities and plans as needed. Then the agile team is actually part of, they are an empowered teams. What is an empowered team? Teams are self-organizing. An empowered team are teams that are self-organizing. And the empowered team are teams that can make decisions. The autonomy fosters creativity among them, innovation, and ownership among the team members. Then there's continuous improvement as part of our key points. Agile promotes a culture of continuous improvement through retrospectives. Teams reflect on what went well, what could be improved, and implement changes in subsequent iterations. Then we have so many popular agile frameworks that we're going to be looking at today. Then we have the Scrum, we have the Kanban, we have the Lean, Agile, and the rest. So each framework provides specific guidelines and practices while adhering to Agile principles. offering flexibility to adapt based on project needs and the team dynamics. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.